Check if there is a common monomial factor for this polynomial. If there is none, then we will try factoring this by grouping. Check which terms have a common factor and pair them together. Here we paired 12a cubed minus 9a squared because they have a common factor. Here, 4a and minus 3 do not have a common factor, so we just copy them. We can now identify a common binomial factor for a minus 3. The remaining factor, let us divide each underlined part by our common binomial factor for a minus 3. And that's how we get the factors by grouping. So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below.